Assemble. Assemble. I need to assemble the ingredients before I start cooking. I need to assemble the ingredients before I start cooking. Bake. Bake. She likes to bake fresh bread every weekend. She likes to bake fresh bread every weekend. Chop. Chop. Please chop the onions finely for the sauce. Please chop the onions finely for the sauce. Dice. Dice. I diced the tomatoes for the salsa. I diced the tomatoes for the salsa. Eat. Eat. It's time to eat dinner, it's ready. It's time to eat dinner, it's ready. Fry. Fry. He decided to fry the chicken for dinner. He decided to fry the chicken for dinner. Grill. Grill. We're going to grill some burgers for the barbecue. We're going to grill some burgers for the barbecue. Heat. Heat. Heat the soup on the stove until it's hot. Heat the soup on the stove until it's hot. Incorporate. Incorporate. Slowly incorporate the flour into the mixture. Slowly incorporate the flour into the mixture. Juice. Juice. She used a juicer to extract juice from the oranges. She used a juicer to extract juice from the oranges. Knead. Knead. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Oven bake the chicken with herbs and spices. Oven bake the chicken with herbs and spices. Peel. Peel the potatoes before boiling them. Peel the potatoes before boiling them. Quench. Quench. Quench your thirst with a glass of cold water. Quench your thirst with a glass of cold water. Roast. Roast. We're going to roast a turkey for Thanksgiving. We're going to roast a turkey for Thanksgiving. Sauté. Sauté. Sauté the garlic and onions until they're fragrant. Sauté the garlic and onions until they're fragrant. Toast. Toast. Toast the bread until it's golden brown. Toast the bread until it's golden brown. Uncover. Uncover. Uncover the pot and let the sauce simmer. Uncover the pot and let the sauce simmer. Ventilate. Ventilate. Open the windows to ventilate the kitchen. Open the windows to ventilate the kitchen. Whisk. Whisk. Whisk the eggs to make a fluffy omelette. Whisk the eggs to make a fluffy omelette. Experiment. Experiment. Sometimes you need to experiment with new recipes. Sometimes you need to experiment with new recipes. Yield. Yield. This recipe will yield 6 servings. This recipe will yield 6 servings. Zest. Zest. Zest the lemon to add a burst of flavor to the dish. Zest the lemon to add a burst of flavor to the dish.